Welcome to Pumpsim software. This video is a short introduction to the basic screen layout and interface of Pumpsim. Pumpsim has several menus and toolbars. The top toolbar controls the construction and simulation of models. The modeling buttons allow you to draw pipes and then add tanks, valves, pumps and devices that consume water to simulate the model. The buttons on the right control the simulation type. On the left-hand side of the screen, we have buttons for controlling the view and turning on or off various items you want to see or hide. The drop-down boxes at the top control both the color and text that is shown on the screen. The left-hand boxes control the color, both the category and subcategories, while the right-hand box controls the text, again categories and subcategories. Let's load a model and learn how we can use the mouse to move around the screen. The rotation of the screen is controlled by the right mouse button. Holding the button down and moving the mouse will rotate the model left and right, or forward and backwards. The model always rotates around a point in the middle of the screen. You can adjust the point where it rotates by simply zooming in and zooming out, and then drawing a box around a location you wish to look at with the left mouse button. Or alternatively, you can hold the middle mouse button to focus or drag the point to a new location. The control on the right hand side is the display manager. This controls the color, visibility and scale of graphical items on the screen. The colors can be controlled by selecting the range of colors that you wish to see. For example, data can be restricted to only a certain range of values, and then the colors will be adjusted accordingly. The color range can be reset at any time by clicking one of the middle buttons. The color scheme can also be changed to show layers or fluid types, and then each of the layers or fluid types can be selected with the mouse. Using this method, each part of the model can be turned off or on at any time so that only the relevant items can be seen on the screen. This concludes the overview of the Pumpsim interface. Our next video will show you how to build a basic model.